Hi everyone, Lewis here. Today we're going to be unboxing this guy here, Masters of the Universe Origins figure Roboto. I've got a few of these, quite like them. I'm not a massive Masters of the Universe guy, like I like He-Man and stuff when I was a kid, but I don't really remember it all that well. But I watched the new Netflix Revelation series and I really enjoyed it, and I really liked Roboto in it. I thought he was really good. So I thought, you know what, I'll get his Origins figure. And I don't always open all of these, just because when they're carded figures, you know, they're a bit harder to store when you open them. But these ones you can kind of put back. I've got a Scareglow one that I opened as well. So yeah, the good thing about these is there's a little slip on the back here where you can kind of open up easily. So I'm just gonna do that now. So I just whack this down in there. Very careful, like, and then just lift it up. First of all, you can slip out the little comic that it comes with, which is pretty cool. Comes with little instructions, so it shows you what parts are removable and swappable. It's arms and legs basically. That's why I wanted to unbox this one, because you know there's different ways you can close it and that. There we go. So yeah, it comes in like this little plastic bit, so when you want to put them back in, you just pop them back in there. Bit of tape on there. Just gonna cut that with my special scissors. Oh god. Right. Just this the legs are stuck in now. Do be careful with scissors. Just going to get rid of all the little there we go, just little bits of plastic or whatever. Just going to pull them out. Right. Oh, that's really cool. So when you twist him, it makes his little jaw bit go. Yes, he's got like a clear body with some gears and stuff inside, and I thought that would be like aesthetic reasons only, but when you turn him, it does that. It's good, isn't it? So I think his legs and that come off, and his arms. I don't know, I'm a bit scared. I want to pull it in case I'm not meant to. I do know that this bit comes off, so it's got like a little axe attachment thing, and then you can pop these bits on. So have a look. Just a little bag that comes in the back, and it comes with a couple of different attachments. So I forgot where the camera was for a second there. Oh, I dropped one. Yes, there's a little gun, a little double barrel thing. Just pop that in there. These are like pachoo pachoo. I am Roboto. I think that's how he talks, don't know. I guess he talks to a robot. And then you can pop that one off. And then it's like, looks like a little claw. Oh. Yeah, it's got like a little claw hand as well. The gun's probably best for combat, I imagine. I've got a little axe that he comes with as well, the default one. His fingers are a bit, I know that's not in focus. His fingers are a bit sort of bent and that on one bit. I'm sure he's fine because he's a robot. He probably doesn't feel pain. Why would he be programmed to feel pain? I don't know if these other bits come off. Because, oh yeah, like his foot comes off. Don't know why. Is it meant to do that? I hope so. Yeah, pops back on. So yeah. Yeah. So the different. I think those little bits there indicate the different joints where you can disconnect them. So let's just give it a go. If I break it, I'll just buy a new one. Yeah, so you can take his arms off, and I think I'm right. Well, I don't know about that. I thought you could disconnect him at the waist as well. I think that just rotates. I know on like the WWE ones, which you don't get over here, that you can swap all their body parts and that. I don't want to pull the waist just in case it doesn't. But yeah, that comes off. You could put his arms on his legs, maybe. Mr. McGregor, a leg for an arm, an arm for a leg. Yeah, there he is. Roboto. Roboto. I didn't really throw it, I was just pretending. Right, well, thanks for watching. I'm just going to step back a bit. If you like that, I'll do another one. I've got some other ones of those. Master Universe. But yeah. Thanks.